Hi students, how are you? I am your English teacher Saudado SS. Today we are going to learn Standard 7, Unit number 1.3, Little Girls Wiser Than the Story. In the earlier video, we saw the first part of the story. The two little girls, Alulka and Malasha, were playing in the puddle. And while playing, Malasha splashed dirty water on Alushka's new dress. And so Alulka's mother slapped Malasha. Malasha's mother came out of the house and started quarreling with Alulka's mother. From here we will learn our story. One word brought back another, and the woman began to quarrel. One word brought back another means एक शब्द दुसरा शब्द परत आणत होता, म्हणजे शब्द आणि शब्द वाढत होता. अँड द वुमन बिगॅन टू quarrel. Quarrel means भांडण. त्या बायकांची भांडणं सुरू झाली. The man too ran out and big crowd gathered in the street. Man also came out of the house and big crowd म्हणजे गर्दी, gather एकत्र येणे, in the street means रस्ता. स्त्रियांची भांडणं ऐकून माणसंसुद्धा बाहेर आली आणि त्या रस्त्यावर सगळी गर्दी जमली. All were crying and nobody could hear his neighbor. They are neighbors. Neighbors means शेजारी. All started shouting and nobody could hear. Hear means ऐकणे. H-E-A-R. Hear means ऐकणे. Nobody could hear each other. They scolded and cursed each other. स्कोल्ड म्हणजे ओरडणे, कर्स म्हणजे शिव्या शापात देणे. They scolded and cursed each other. One man gave another man push and the fight had begun. The one man gave another man push ते आपल्याला ढकलणे, and the fight had begun. When Alulka's grandmother came out, she stepped in the midst of the peasants and began to talk to them. Peasants means शेतकरी, farmer. Alulka's grandmother came out of the house. She saw that man and woman were started fighting, and so she stepped in the midst. Step means पाऊल टाकणे, हे ते अर्थ होतो मध्ये येणे. मिस्ट म्हणजे त्या गोंधळामध्ये. She stepped in the midst of the peasants and began to talk to them. She wanted to stop them from the fighting. So Alulka's grandmother wanted to talk to them, but nobody is going to listen her. What are you doing, dear ones? Consider the holiday. This is the time for rejoicing, and see what scene you are doing. See what Alulka's grandmother says. What are you doing? It is a Easter Sunday. It is a holiday and it is a time for the happiness. You should be feel happy and you are fighting. You are doing sin. Sin म्हणजे पाप. तुम्ही पाप करताय. What are you doing? Why are you fighting? It is a holiday. It is a festival day. They paid no attention to the old woman and almost knocked her off her feet. They paid no attention. त्यांनी तिच्याकडे लक्षच नाही दिलं. अटेन्शन म्हणजे लक्ष देणे. And almost knock her off. Knock her off म्हणजे बाजूला टाकणे. She could never have stopped them if it had not been for Alulka and Malasha. She could never stop them. तिने कधीच त्यांना थांबवलं नसतं. But it is the matter of Alulka and Malasha. So she wanted to stop them from the fighting. But nobody was listening. While the woman exchanged words, Alulka whipped off her dress. While the woman and man were fighting, Alulka, her dress was dirty. She whipped off her dress. Whip off म्हणजे पुसणे. And went back to the puddle. पडल माहिती आहे आपल्याला, डबकं, पाण्याचं डबकं. तिने आपला ड्रेस पुसला आणि पुन्हा त्या डबक्यावर ती गेली. She picked up a pebble and began to scratch the ground so as to let the water off into the street. Street रस्ता. She picked up a pebble. Pebble म्हणजे एक दगड तिने उचलला and she began to scratch the ground. Scratch करणे, खरडणे किंवा काय म्हणतात, दगडाने तिने खणायला सुरुवात केली. So that the water in the puddle will went back in the lane. त्या डबक्यातलं पाणी बाहेर येईल म्हणून तिने ते डबक्याच्या जवळ जमीन खणायला, त्या छोट्याशा दगडाने खणायला सुरुवात केली. She picked up the pebble and began to scratch the ground so as to let the water off into the street. While she was scratching, scratch माहिती आपल्याला ओरखडे काढणे, हे तर खणणे याचा अर्थ होतो. Malasha came up and began to help her. She picked up a clip and winded the ring. वाइड म्हणजे माहिती आहे, वाईड म्हणजे रुंद. तिने सुद्धा एक दगड घेतला आणि ते ओळ तो मोठा करायला सुरुवात केली. रील म्हणजे ओळ. The patient had begun to fight just as the water went down the rill towards the place where the old woman was trying to separate the man. The patient had begun to fight. All the farmer, women, they started fighting. Just as the water went down to the rill towards the place where the old woman was trying to separate the man. The water in the puddle, because the girls are digging, the scratching the ground, the water in the puddle had came out from the puddle and they flowed towards the road lane where all these men and women were standing. हे सगळे जिथं थांबले होते भांडत, त्या ठिकाणी ते पाणी वाहायला सुरुवात झाली. The girl ran, one from one side of the rill, the other from the other side. त्या पाण्याच्या एका बाजूनी एक मुलगी, दुसऱ्या बाजूनी दुसरी मुलगी, Malasha and Alushka. They started running. Look out, Malasha, look out, shouted Alulka. Malasha wanted to say something herself but could not speak for laughter. Malasha was laughing and she also wanted to say something but she could not say anything because she was laughing. The girls were running and laughing at the cliff which was bubbling up and drawn the rill. Girls were running and laughing at the chip. Chip म्हणजे तुकडा. The chip was bubbling up. Bubbling up म्हणजे तरंगत वाहत होता. On the water down the rill. तो एक तुकडा त्या पाण्यातून तरंगत तरंगत पुढे जात होता आणि त्या मुली त्या तुकड्याला बघून हसत 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 पळत होत्या. They ran straight to the crowd of the patient. The old woman saw them and said to the patients, "Shame on you before God, man. You have started fighting on account of those two girls, and they have long ago forgotten it." Forget means विसरणे. Shame on you. Shame means लाज वाटणे. Shame on you before God, man. You have started fighting on account of these two girls. या दोन मुलींमुळे तुमची भांडणं सुरू झाली. But now, see, the girls have forgotten it. They are playing nicely together. They are wiser than you. The girls have forgot their fighting and now they are playing, so they are wiser than you. The man looked at the girls and they felt ashamed. Shame एकच अर्थ होतो, लाज वाटणे. The girls said, look at the girls and they felt ashamed. Then they laughed at themselves and scattered to their farms. Scatter means विखुरणे. इथं परत जाणे असा अर्थ होतो. The man looked at their girls, Alulka and Malasha. They saw the girls are playing together once again, and so they laughed at themselves and they went back to their farms. Here is the end of the story. The story gives us the moral that the little boys and girls, they forgive each other very easily, but the older people, the grown up people, they cannot forget the reason of fighting. They fight for, their fight goes for long time. So we should forgive our enemies as soon as possible so that we become happy. I think you understand this story. So thank you. Pick out the new words from this story and write it down, the words and their meanings, and you should recite that word. You should also write the question answers given below the lesson. Thank you.